What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. And today we're going to talk about another awesome game called STARBOTS. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational only. So if you are confused in my review, you can do your research, the link provided below. So without further ado, let's start. STARBOTS is a BattleBots-inspired universe and the first ever robot battle NFT game, where players create fantasy robots to fight against other competitors, then collect NFT items and gear tokens. Robots come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The body, weapon, gadget, and wheels are the four components of a complete robot. Players are allowed to collect these various parts, build and power up their own robots. Players can gain gear tokens through strategically assembling robots, winning battles, completing missions, and conquering new lands. Players will have complete control over their robots, and will be able to trade and sell them in a secure and efficient manner. Loot box and gear tokens that are needed to upgrade robots will be available. Starting in 2022, players can earn a governance token, BOT, which represents a real slice of the game universe as it has governance rights and fees built into it. STARBOTS is designed to take you on a voyage through numerous worlds in a galaxy that runs parallel to our own. Players take on the role of the clever star dogs, and their aim is to gather and modify their own fighting robots in order to participate in fights and perform tasks. The body parts of each robot will function automatically to destroy that of the enemies, thus creates an unpredictable and entertaining battle. The diverse selection of the in-game components allows players to customize battle robots to their own liking. Different weapons, when combined with different body parts, produce a robot with a completely random principle of operation. Winning a battle then will not only depends on the strength and luck of the body parts, but also on the player's logic to combine them. And these is the unique features of STARBOTS. Play to earn. Gain gear tokens while exploring planets full of battles and missions. Customizable weapons. Using a variety of body components, customize your battle robots to your preference. Flexibility. Upgrade, repair and disassemble your fighting robot at any given time. Strategy. Combine various weaponry and body components logically to create a robot that follows the winning philosophy. It all begins on Plutonet, a war-torn planet. The player assumes the character of a dog that has lost a loved one in a conflict, and is motivated to fight back for Plutonet's peace. The player will proceed to conquer additional planets in distant space after recovering control of Plutonet. The Beaglerist, the Corgist, the Huscatori, the Goldenars, and the Booleans are among the 6 planets in the Plutonet universe for players to conquer, each having 20 to 50 levels. The championship can be thought of as the main quest in the game. The ranking system in STARBOTS consists of 8 levels. Each level is divided into 3 ranks, I2, 3, in which rank 3 is the lowest rank and rank I is the highest rank. You progress through each tier by earning dog points, DP, for each game you win. The exact score is determined by your matchmaking rating, MMR. And here's the roadmap of STARBOT. October 2021, gameplay and white paper release. January 2022, BOT token introduction and IDO. February 2022, NFT sale. Quarter 2 2022, PvP mode release. Quarter 3 2022, PvE story mode release. 2023, STARBOTS universe. And here's the tokenomics of the STARBOTS. Shows how the participants of a particular blockchain use the underlying token to power the distribution and consumption of goods and services related to that chain. It is in this area that many projects fail after the issuance of a token. Liquidity and staking reward get 15% of BOT token, game rewards and play to earn got 15% of BOT token, and the 25% will go to the ecosystem development, 4% for public sale, 16% for private sale, 20% for STARBOTS team and 5% for advisor. And here's the example of robot collections and the items. To put the other parts together, players must first choose a body. Each body type's shape and weight provide distinct characteristics when compared to others. And representing the team of the STARBOTS. Keen Vung, CEO of the STARBOTS. Hung Nguyen, Creative Director. Hong Nguyen, head of Maketing, Tu Chu, head of engineering, and many more. And here's the advisor of the STARBOTS. Born Elon, game advisor and founder Metamars. Jung Nguyen, game advisor and founder Gami Studio. Kevin Chu, strategic advisor, core builder Impossible Finance. Long Vong, strategic advisor and founder Tamakane. On Ngayab, operation advisor and head of operation Tamakane. And Hey Race, the partners and investor of STARBOTS. Impossible Finance, Defi Alliance, Solar Eco Funo, OKE Block Dream, Ventures, and many more. So ask we know IDO date release date will be on January 11th of 2022. Initial data offerings, or IDOs, are tokens that represent any type of asset hosted on a decentralized exchange, DEX. IDOs can be created for anything from cryptocurrency to a music album, to ether-powered battleships. IDOs offer businesses a tool for engaging their communities in an economy that both enriches their products and services. STARBOTS joined Twitter on September 2021 and now have 12.4K followers. And here's the pinned tweet of the STARBOTS. They said that wait no more, and they provide the gameplay and tweet. STARBOTS bringing an upgraded version of BattleBot into the world, and we do it doggy style. And that's all for the STARBOTS. Come and visit, subscribe and watch out for other videos here on ICO Investor channel. Thank you for watching.